Hello everyone, this is Krishna Gupta from PropTerry.com. Home seeking has always been a problem for everyone. When you start looking for a house, you go online, you search the property online, you visit the property offline, followed by all the legal agreements which you have to make to acquire that property. We have basically identified a very huge gap between both the processes when you start searching for a property online and when you acquire the property. We at Property fill that gap. We are a hybrid service provider which not only provides you information online but also helps you acquiring that property offline by providing you extensively designed hyperlocal services. Real estate market is bifurcated into purchasing a property and taking a property on rent. When you start purchasing a property, you can purchase the property directly from a seller or from a producer. When you talk about purchasing a property through a producer, that market is known as primary market, which is relatively very organized. We started working on that market and we basically came up with a no brokerage policy from any buyer, because brokerage has always been a concern for any buyer. The primary market size is around $1 billion. That is, there are around 150,000 properties being purchased every year with an average transaction size of around 40 lakh rupees and an average commission of ranging from 1.25 lakh rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees. When we started mobilizing primary sales and started making smaller channel partners around the city, we have realized that the secondary market was 15 times greater than this primary sales market. That is, there are around 25 lakhs units purchased every year through hyperlocal partners. And we basically identified a very simple enterprise problem in the work management with these hyperlocal partners. Not only provided us exposure to a $15 billion untouched market, but also helped us to provide an enterprise solution to those unconventional brokers, which reduces their marketing and operating expenses to zero. Also, we were able to provide after-sales services to all the existing clients by the use of other hyperlocal partners. About the current response of the company, we have been able to process around 5,000 inquiries, out of which we have been able to close 100 plus of them. For this financial year, we are targeting around 10,000 inquiries to be captured on our platform. We are looking at around 200 tie-ups with builders, and we are looking at around 1,000 logins from other channels. Our expansion plan is to scale ourselves in 4 tier 1 cities and 3 tier 2 cities by the end of this year. By the end of next year, we will be looking at 35 cities and 2 countries. By the end of 3 years, we will be looking at around 80 cities and 8 countries. And at that time, we will be looking at partnership with around 600 developers and around 50,000. Our objectives of the current fundraising for this year would be team building, technology building, infrastructure development of the company, increasing web and mobile traction, incubation and scaling up in various cities, launching our new services, B2B incubation, and marketing our products. We are here to change the complete dimension of real estate service industry. Thank you for listening.